No specific asker pero madaming nagtatanong sa amin, what's the deal with GPU sag? This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer shop pero kahit hindi ka pa customer, gusto pa rin namin makatulong, especially para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa PC hobby. Generally, you want to address GPU sag as early as possible. Yung sag, nangyayari siya especially sa mga heavy na GPUs because of physics. Yung connection point ng GPUs, naka-offset siya. Wala siya sa center of gravity. So naturally, yung tail end ng GPU, mas mabigat talaga. If you're a first-time builder, you might plop down a GPU and then kahit na may sag, gumagana pa rin. Ang problem is that over time, magiging permanent yung deformity na yun, which can lead to serious issues as the PCB gets bent more and more. That's why you really do not want to have any significant sag sa GPU mo. We've had some cases of GPUs for service dito sa shop na severely bent na and wala nang solution at that point. To address this, you can use a GPU sag bracket as early as possible. May mga GPU na meron ng kasama, especially for the higher-end ones, but may mga aftermarket din from brands like Deepcool na universal naman. Meaning, pwede sila sa kahit anong case. If wala, you can also use anything just to support yung tail end ng GPU. You can use a Lego brick na may putty sa base to keep it stable, or yung iba, gumagamit ng action figures or model kits. Anything is better than nothing.